Hi, and welcome to Wendy's AIP Kitchen. Today I'm going to be making a classic dish, Hamburger Stroganoff. It is hearty, warm, and comforting, and there's just something about it that reminds me of times gone by.
And now, WAIP TV presents Cooking with Wendy.
Hello, and welcome to Cooking with Wendy. I'm Wendy. You know, on days when my husband comes home from a hard day at the office, I know that it's up to me to start his evening off right. But there are some nights when a TV dinner just won't do. Times like this, I like to make my famous Hamburger Stroganoff. To begin, you will need 1 pound of ground beef from your butcher, to which you will add 1 cup of chopped onions and 3 cloves of garlic minced. Set your stove to medium-high. Then brown the hamburger with the onions and garlic until no pink remains. Now that the hamburger is brown, I'm able to add the sliced white mushrooms, 8 ounces. I was able to find these pre-sliced at the supermarket. Now we will add 1/2 cup of beef broth. Homemade is best. 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. 1½ teaspoons of salt. And 1 teaspoon of dried thyme. Bring this to a boil until it is reduced by half. Now I will add 1 cup of creamy coconut milk and 2 tablespoons of chopped fresh parsley. We know we like our stroganoff to be thick and creamy. We're going to make a slurry, just like you learned in home ec. I have 1 tablespoon of arrowroot starch, to which I will add 1 tablespoon of water. Put on a tight-fitting lid and shake vigorously. Now, add to the bubbling mixture and watch it thicken. And now it's time to serve. I have already roasted some butternut squash noodles that we will use as a base for our dish. Now, spoon some of the hamburger stroganoff on top of the noodles. Oh, I almost forgot! A sprig of parsley to set off your dish. Thank you all for coming. And thank you for tuning in. This has been Cooking with Wendy. I'm Wendy.
Wendy's AIP Kitchen was filmed before a live studio audience.
Hello. What am I supposed to say? Then spoon some of your delicious hamburger casserole. It's not casserole. And I also didn't put enough on the plate.
It's okay.